To create easy-to-read visualizations, Linkurious Enterprise offers you styling capabilities for your graph data. You can decide on the captions, the color, the icons, or the size of your node and edges to highlight relevant information for you. By default, every node category has a pre-assigned color. Administrator can change the default style in the configuration. Users can change style rules after creating or opening a visualization. You access the Style panel by clicking on the brush icon in the top right corner of the workspace. Select the first tab to access the style options. You can apply a style on the category level or on the property level of your node. Next to the node category name, you can choose to apply an icon, a color, or a size to the nodes of that category. For instance, we choose to color in blue all the nodes of the category address. To add an icon, click on the plus. Select a library to choose your icon from, and select the icon of your choice. The last item lets you set a size rule to that node category. Clicking on 200% will double the size of my address nodes. If you want fine-grained style rules, you can set additional styles at the property level of your node. Select the property you want to style and apply distinct rules for each value. Here, we choose to create a rule for our address nodes based on the value of their country property. When closing the property value list, a little blue dot will indicate you that a subrule is currently applied. The rules defined at the property level will always apply in favor of rules defined at the category level. The same way, you can choose the color and the size of each type of edges. You can reset or save your style using the wheel icons in the bottom right corner. In the same panel, you can choose which properties' value are displayed over your nodes and edges. Those are the captions. Click on the Caption tab. Select a category of node or edge and pick one or several properties. The one highlighted in blue are displayed in the workspace over your node. Use the arrow or drag and drop the properties to arrange the caption's order. To remove one property of the caption, click on the cross in the right. The same approach can be used for edge captions.